सादरीकरपी शाळांची नाव जावन आसा ज्ञानप्रसारक हायस्कूल, जी.एस. आमोणकर हायस्कूल, सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर हायस्कूल, जनता हायस्कूल, सेंट ब्रिटो हायस्कूल, सेंट मॅरी श्री गणेश विद्यामंदिर हायस्कूल.
I offer you my greetings on this Liberation Day to all my fellow Goans and my beloved Bardeskars. Today is a joyous and emotional day for all the elders and children of Goa. We remember with gratitude the countless freedom fighters and revolutionaries who struggled for the freedom of Goa and made heroic sacrifices to win us our freedom. Freedom is nothing else but a chance to be better. Our government is committed to the remotest villages on top priority. That is, we want to work at the remotest village where there is, till today there is no road. There is one village in Sange. We are about to start the work in the next 2 days. There was no road over there because the area was coming under forest, and they were not giving us NOCs for all these years. But now we have got NOC from forest and we are starting this work. So we are committed to give roads, we are committed to give electricity, water to all the remotest villages under my rural development department. I would like to share to all the Goans today that a lot of educated youth who pass out from higher secondaries, who pass out from colleges, and they want to go on ships to work, whether they are cruise ships, whether they are ships carrying cargo, or any other ships which sail in international waters. I'm happy to announce Maritime Institution, which will offer 18 new courses. We have a small institution which is offering only 4 courses right now. But the boys have to travel all the way to Mumbai to take 3 months training, 6 months training, 1 year's training. So we want to set up this maritime institution under boot basis: build, operate, own and transfer. And when I say build, operate, own and transfer, government does not spend any money on this. We give our land, but we have full control so that the rates which they will charge is as per whatever we say, whatever we decide, so that our Goan youth can avail this facility. They need not go out of Goa to Mumbai or Bangalore or any other state or Pune. They can be here studying, complete the courses, get a degree, get a certificate which is recognized by government of Goa, and then go and work in any institution. In Goa also they can work in Mumbai, they can go internationally, and this certificate will be valid.